Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now in today's video we're going to be learning how to install a custom home screen to your phone, your Samsung phone or Android phone. So first what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to our link in bio. That is always linked right at the top of our page. You'll just click it. It'll take you right to a page. You'll click on the video links tab and you click the Android custom home screen button, and it will take you to this page with all the links that we will need. So first of all, we're gonna have to go and install some of these apps. So our first app that we have to install is Nova Launcher, and this will be the custom launcher that we are going to use. So that's the first one that we are going to have to install. And then the second one is going to be, as you can see right here, KWGT Custom Widget Maker. So we're going to install that. And we'll let that install. And we're going to open up, and then we're going to go back here, and there's another app that we have to install called Coda for Custom. So then we're going to install this next onto our phone. And then finally, then we have to get this, the app pack called Wycons. Now the only reason it's in a APK file is because the link for the actual thing on the store went down, so we have to get it now directly through there. And then we are going to need two more things. You're going to need the wallpaper that is available by just clicking on it right there. Click on it, open it, and then the Nova backup file. And then once that's done, we'll be back on the phone and ready to get set up. Okay, once all that's downloaded, just click on the Nova backup file and open it. And open it with Nova Launcher. And restore the backup. And this will take you out, and you'll have to open up Nova Launcher. And then you're in. So since we have KWDT, you'll see the click setup, but we'll deal with that stuff later. You'll hold to set wallpaper, hold wallpaper, pick image, and then downloads. Pick the wallpaper you download and set it as the wallpaper for the home screen. So now things are starting to come together. So now, for the widgets, we have to use widgets K16 and K63. So to do that, you'll see click setup. The K16, I believe, is for the bottom. You have to have also a folder set for custom. Make sure you're ready for that. And then scroll or search for the widget. In our case, we're going to be searching K16. And you'll click on it. It'll ask you for Pro. You don't have to. And then it should go, and you should be good to go. But for some reason, this one did not work. So then we have to. But first, so it doesn't keep kicking you out, you will have to make sure to set the home app as Nova Launcher, so you don't keep getting through all this. And make sure you actually select the widget, and so it actually sets. So you do K16, you apply that, and apparently it does not like me, so I'll be back once I get it fixed. And then here is our home screen setup. I know there's no widgets there. They would not work unless you bought Pro, and for this video we're seeing it cost free. And there's also a hidden secret. There's an invisible folder.
How cool is that? Well, thank you for watching. Hope you comment, like, and subscribe on today's video. Join the Discord server, and we'll see you in a future video. Bye.
Hey, click on the video in the middle. YouTube thinks you might like that video. Thanks for watching.